Do you struggle from a tight back? Well, I do sometimes. So let's look at the following progression you can do to help you loosen your back. Okay, so we're going to do a progression. It starts very easy, so you stop when you feel you had enough. So first come onto the mat and we're going to go onto our back. So your back is tight. Preferably come onto a hard floor. So on the carpet or on your yoga mat, and not on the grass but rather on a hard floor to help your back realign. So we've got the knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Your arms are just relaxed next to your body, and make yourself as comfortable as possible. And here, try, I know it's not always easy, but try to relax your whole body. Just stay here. You can stay like this for 30 seconds or a minute, what your body needs. And then we're going to start making small movements. So we're going to work into the pelvis. So what I want you to do is just tilt your pelvis and try to press your lower back into the floor and then release. So the pelvis is rocking back and forth, pressing the lower back into the floor and relax. That's all you're doing. You're just using your core to do that. Not pressing into the feet, just small movements into the lower back. Very good. And then stop, and now take your knees side to side so the feet are about hip width apart, and all you do is just softly let your knees down on the left, keep your shoulders on the floor and up. And as you exhale to the other side, and we're going to go from side to side. And remember, if anything hurts your back, stop immediately. And one more time to each side. Very good. So the next progression from here is we're going to straighten the legs and we're going to do dynamic plow. Now if dynamic plow is too much for you, what you can do is you're going to bend your knees, take your hands, get hold of behind the knees and tuck your chin in. And you're going to rock back and forth, massaging the spine and the back. And you can make the rocking as big and as small as you like, as fast or as slow as you like. Just massaging into your back. Okay, now if that is too easy for you or you want something a bit stronger, then straighten the legs. And remember, dynamic plow, if you have severe neck problems, please do not do the dynamic plow. And with dynamic plow, also remember to tuck your chin in when you go back. So here you use your core and your arms, and you press into your arms and you throw your legs over your head. Inhale up and exhale, forward fold, and inhale up and exhale, roll back, tuck the navel, tuck the chin, and the arm stays this side. And you use your momentum and you keep going. And your feet, if your feet doesn't reach the back of the floor behind your head, do not worry. You are warming up the back. Your back might be tight. Just do what you can and try and keep your legs straight. And you feel the stretch in the back of the legs and the shoulders, the neck, and your back. And you can go as fast as you like or as slow as you like. Up to 10. 10's too much. You do 5. And when you've done your amount, we're going to end up on the neck. When you're on the neck, you do not look around. Bring your hands as low on the back as you can, and then raise your legs up. And we're in plow pose. Stay here only as long as you want to. And exhale when you're done. Lower the feet behind the head first. Release your hands and slowly lower your buttocks and the legs. Very good. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out through your mouth. You don't have to do this part. You don't have to do plow pose if you feel your back is just too tight. For those of you who did plow pose, we're going to go into fish pose. So take your arms straight, palms flat on the floor. Slide the whole arm behind you and the other one. So you're kind of lying on your arms, legs together. And we're going to press into the elbows and we're going to point the toes and we're going to go into fish. Chest open to the sky, head back if you can. Inhale, head up, and exhale slowly and release your arms. Very good. Slowly roll over onto our tummy and press into your hands and knees and come into box pose. Knees under hips, wrist under shoulders, and we're going to stretch into the upper back. As you inhale, take your right arm straight out to the side as high as you can and look at the hand. Make sure that your hip stays over the knees. Don't let your hips go to the one side or the other side. They must stay over the knees. And exhale, take that right hand and thread it under the left for threading the needle. The right shoulder goes to the floor, not near the knees. Look, my buttocks are going back. Keep the buttocks over the knees and the right shoulder, right ear to the floor. The right arm is straight, left arm stretch above the head on the floor. If you can, look under the left armpit to the ceiling. Hold it here. And inhale, bring the left hand in front of your face. Press into that left hand and take the right arm all the way to the top for full rotation and then down. And we do the other side. Try to do the same as you did on the right. So inhale, left arm goes up. And exhale, thread the left arm, keep the space. Left shoulder, left ear, and the right arm stretch to the top. And if you can, look under the right armpit to the ceiling. Then inhale, bring the right hand back in front of your face. Press into that right hand and take the left arm full rotation to the top and exhale down. Very good. We're going to lower ourselves slowly onto the mat and we turn over onto your back. And prepare yourself for universal spinal twist. For universal spinal twist, first make sure your spine is straight, legs together, and bring your arms shoulder height with the palms facing down on the floor. Here we go. And bend the left knee. Place the left foot next to the right knee. Press into that left foot. Lift your pelvis up, swivel on the hips and end up on the side of your right hip. The left knee goes to the right. And we look, if you can, to the left hand. If your neck doesn't want to do that, just keep looking at the ceiling. And your shoulders and shoulder blades stay flat on the floor. So this is universal spinal twist. You can hook your left toes behind the right knee. Hold it here. And inhale, look to the ceiling, and exhale, roll back onto your back, straighten out and straighten the leg. And we're going to do the other side. So we bend the right knee, place the right foot on the floor, and we lift the pelvis, swivel and place it back down. Take the knee to the left and we look to the right. Make sure your shoulder and shoulder blades flat on the floor. And we hold it here. And inhale, look to the ceiling, and exhale, slowly roll back onto your back and straighten out. Very good. And bend both knees, bring them into the chest, take your arms and squeeze it into the chest. And then get hold of each knee, and we're gonna rock side to side, massaging into the lower back. And you can go as far onto the side as you like, all the way. Use your elbow to push yourself back up, or you can just make the movement very small. And you'll see if you keep your knees very close to your body, the massage is more in the upper back. If you take your knees further away from your body, the massages are more on the lower back. And if you go all the way onto the side, you'll feel the massage onto the buttocks and the side of the thighs. And the harder the floor is, the more massage you get. This is very nice. And come to the center and straighten out. And take a deep breath in and sigh it out through your mouth. And again. Very good. Now the tip of the day, you'll feel your back sometimes just out of the blue is tight, and you can do this little sequence to help you loosen your back. But if you can't get rid of the tightness, go for a deep tissue massage. It really helps to get all those knots out of your muscles. I hope you enjoyed this. I almost want to say you enjoyed this movie. It's not a movie. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and give me the thumbs up. And thank you for watching.